Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Ranger canopy. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench set and a helper. Next, carefully disconnect any electrical connections for lights or power outlets inside the canopy. It's crucial to ensure all wiring is safely detached. Finally, clear the truck bed of any items that might obstruct the canopy's removal. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for everyone involved. Now, let's move on to detaching the canopy. Locate all the clamps securing the canopy to your Ford Ranger's bed rails. There are usually 4 to 6 clamps, often 2 on each side. Using your socket wrench, carefully loosen and remove each clamp. It's important to ensure every single clamp is fully disengaged before attempting to lift the canopy. This prevents damage to your truck or the canopy itself. With all clamps removed, it's time to lift the canopy. This step definitely requires at least 2 people, one on each side, to ensure a balanced lift. Carefully lift the canopy straight up and off the truck bed, avoiding any dragging that could scratch your paint. Once off, place the canopy on a stable, flat surface, perhaps on some old tires or a moving blanket, to prevent damage during storage. A hoist system can also make this a one-person job. After the canopy is safely removed and stored, take a moment to inspect your truck bed rails for any debris or potential damage. Clean the area thoroughly, and if you had any electrical components disconnected from the truck itself, now is a good time to reconnect them. And speaking of bringing things to life, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to add convenience and entertainment to your space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.